Hey guys, welcome to another video. We are back in at ZH Tires. I just want to say a big massive thank you and big shout out to ZH Tires for allowing me to bring my car and do the modification. We're here today for the front fenders. We're going to go install them. Let's show you guys. As you can see, we've already put the side emblem, fins, grills or gills, whatever you want to call them, the sharp gills. To protect that, even though the whole car is PPF'd, I'm gonna go ahead and slap on some side flaps. So these are the flaps, or the front fenders. They go in with these plastic rivets, the OEM ones. So all you need is just something like a sharp object to pop them out, and then using this tool to pop out the old one. Using the OEM genuine ones, they were flipping expensive. But thank you to Lloyd's for providing me all their the genuine parts. I'm gonna fit them on, feed that through, and just use a rivet, plastic rivet gun, chop it off, and job's a good one. The same on this side as well. Again, I forgot to mention, if you guys are interested in purchasing one of these flaps or a set of these flaps, I've included the email in the video description below. So there you go, they're on. You get some videos to show you guys how they look from the sides. Okay, so now they're on. I've slapped them on. They're holding pretty much tight. The only thing that's left is just the cinematic video shots to show you guys. We'll go ahead, we'll shoot some videos and show you guys how they look. But thank you very much for watching. Stay tuned for more videos, and see you guys shortly.